Good morning, welcome to today's update. Again, all about the dollar. It said yesterday that it reached an upside target, just went one tick above it overnight yesterday, and so we were looking for a retracement back, and that's morphed itself elsewhere. So this is the Aussie dollar, the original short position. In here we had a range relativity extreme and then a pattern back down. Used the second range deviation up the following day to put the position on at 79.80. So we've drifted down. We took some profits yesterday after it just missed our downside target by 3 ticks. So we had a limit order in overnight, didn't quite get filled, so closed out the position. I woke up yesterday morning and now we've had the signal back the other way, so that's a time continuation positive just ahead of monthly support, and we've already reached its first upside target, which is the red daily line here. Still interested in adding to it, and we use the range deviation pivots back down to see if we get a reaction back the other way and place our limit orders in. Traders also look at the intraday chart, so this is the 60-minute with all the higher time frames, supports and resistances up to the half day, which is red. Nothing major has moved to the bottom yet, although that could change during the day because we've got to finish the half day, which will come at lunchtime. So we'll be interested to see if either of these red lines or that brown line moves to the bottom of the trend, because if it does, it reinforces that support. So at the moment we've got some resistances at 78.81 and a big one at 79.39 for now. So if the dollar is down, gold gets some benefit. Didn't really get a great deal of that yesterday, so it's pretty much unchanged, but overnight the Asian market's woken up a little bit, so no surprise to see gold bounce somewhat. There is some room up to 12.90 and a half for it to bounce, but no buy signal as such, and it's not at support, so still under pressure from this sell signal at the weekly level, which was a time continuation back in early September. Finally, Treasury bonds, and this is really an example where short-term charts provide a very strong support point, which can be actionable as a day trade. So we had 152.01 as a big support. The low of the day was 52.00, so we attacked it a few times yesterday. We've extended up. Target is 153.04. But we didn't know it at the time, but as the day developed and it rallied, it actually turned into a daily signal, so that's a pops and a time continuation buy. It's not at support, so it's not actionable in its own right, but for people who've got long at the lows yesterday, their entry point is so good, effectively they've got a 2-tick stop loss now. They can take some profits on that as a day trade and effectively hold the rest of the position and see what happens. Okay, that's it.